So see, the fact what I'm trying to say is that hip hop did not lose when it came down to when we lost Heavy D. And and this is another thing. Why didn't BT say anything about this? See, BT, you know what? I agree with these brothers on YouTube about Hey BT because Michael Jackson passed away, y'all know about that. But when Heavy D passed away, y'all didn't know about it. Y'all mean tell me y'all didn't know about it? One System Park was on yesterday. Come on now, you mean tell me they didn't say nothing about it? BET News probably said something about it, but that's not the point. But once is Park, see, let me break it down to y'all like this. Deborah Lee, you should be ashamed of yourself because you out of all people should have known what happened. If Bobby Johnson was still the head CEO of BET and he got the news, he would have known. He would have said something about it. He would have told 106 to say something about it and all of that. And they didn't do that. Now, how much you want to bet this? Maybe today they probably just got the news, and maybe today wants us to say, we sorry, Heavy D passed away. We want to send love to his family. Let me just say this. VH1 said something about it. VH1 played all his songs. VH1 Soul, they played all his songs. See, I respect VH1 for that because at least they know what hip hop is. At least they know who made hip hop what it was and all of that. At least they knew. You see, the thing is, but BET, man, y'all made me sick. Y'all made me so sick, man. Like seriously. Y'all make me so damn sick, bruh. I'm sorry, but y'all do. Talking about all of this, showing Beyonce on the damn video screen instead of showing Heavy D, instead of showing all his videos. Oh, okay, so you mean to tell me you can show all Michael Jackson videos, but you can't show Heavy D videos? And don't get me wrong, I love Michael Jackson, but let's pass that right now. I'm talking about Heavy D. I'm talking about the man Heavy D. He learned a lot from a lot of legends. And you don't want to play none of his videos. When James Brown passed away, did y'all play any of his videos? No. But y'all played Michael Jackson's, right? Right? Y'all gave Michael Jackson a full what you call that? Remember the time by Michael Jackson? I'm not trying to talk bad about it. I'm just saying you can do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But Heavy D, come on, man. Somebody got to bring back Rap City or something, man. Because let me tell you something. Rap City would have played all Heavy D videos. They would have did it. They would have done it. But 106 apart, man. Come on. Like seriously, y'all make me sick, bruh. Like for real. 106 apart made me so freaking sick. And I'm dead serious. They made me sick, man. And see, the thing is, man, that's the problem, man. The media don't. The news told the news. And I give it up to the news. At least they knew and they said something about it. At least they said something about Heavy D passing. And it was the white newscaster that said it. One of the white newscasters said it. They didn't say. They said, rapper Heavy D died today at the age 24, and that's why you should. Hip hop lost a great icon. At least they knew who he was. You see, that's what I'm saying, man. See, our own people, man, we don't realize that we can't support our own. Because guess what? That's the problem. We can't support our own, but we gonna support that garbage of rap and R&B. If God forbid, if one of them new school rappers was to die something, here go 106 apart. Oh, we lost a great MC. We lost Eminem, or one of the greatest MCs again. One of the greatest MCs. Get the freak out of here! You mean to tell me you can give Eminem, if anything ain't Lord forbid, but if anything happened to Eminem, and then they put on 106 apart, and they play all his videos and all that, but you won't play Heavy D. You won't play Heavy D. BET. You won't do that. You know what? That's it. That's it. It's on now. It's on. And what I mean by it's on, I mean it's on now. I'm straight dissing BET. That's right. I'm dissing y'all. The heck with BET. Look, I ain't gonna curse because I'm with the anti-violence coalition. But the heck with BET now. I'm not even gonna watch BET no more because this is a shame. You mean to tell me you can give Michael Jackson all the love in the world, all the support in the world, but you can't give no props to Heavy D? And then the Soul Train Music Awards coming up. The 27th, I think. Yeah, the 27th, I think. And y'all, I'm telling you, I'm not watching it. I'm not watching because I already know. Y'all not gonna show love to Heavy D on the Soul Train Music Awards. BET and Centric, y'all not gonna show no love to BET. Heavy D. I know you're not. I know you're not. And you just then you know that Heavy D passed away. You not even gonna show that, but you'll wait till next year's BET Awards to do something. Nigga, you know what? I'm gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna interfere with this. For all my real hip hop heads, y'all know who y'all are. My 80s babies, my 90s babies, my even 70s babies. Alright? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know who Heavy D is. Y'all know. So please, do anybody on YouTube or anybody on Facebook or anybody on Twitter, do me a favor, please. I hope I'm gonna send this video to y'all. Do me a favor, please. Put any Heavy D video up on YouTube. Or anything. I don't care where, Facebook, whatever. Because it's time to realize that if it wasn't for Heavy D, if it wasn't for rappers like him, we wouldn't be rapping. So please, show your love to Heavy D and his family. You know what I'm saying? You know, put his videos up there, the memories of him, pictures of him, whatever. Do whatever you gotta do to make people remember. Because these young heads do not know who Heavy D is. Educate them on him. You know, play his videos, play his songs so they'll know. Because without him, hip hop wouldn't be nothing. And I'm out on that note. Right, I'm out.